how you can get this at or address sign on your laptop or PC as the input. So hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to talk about how you can get this one on your laptop or PC as the input. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all you gotta do, you have to look at your keyboard. On your keyboard you will get this add or address button over here. So if I press this button, then it gives me two number symbol, and now I want to get this add or address sign on my laptop. So what can I do? So to do that, you have to look at your keyboard. On your keyboard you will get this shift button over here. So you have to press this shift button and this add button at the same time. So as you can see that when I press this shift button and this address or add sign button at the same time, then I get this add sign or address sign on my laptop or PC screen. So you have to press this shift and this add button at the same time, then you will get this add sign on your laptop as the input. So I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.